So here I have downloaded the app, and after downloading just click on the app to install it. So it will just ask you few information. Basically here it will show what are the information that it will have access to on your personal phone. Currently it will say your SMS, personal information. However, currently we are only using network communication and storage, not money more. I'll install. This is the same type of installation even when you install it from App Store. Once installed, you can start opening it. So first time when you start the app, it will ask you to sign in. This is the splash screen what you are seeing. We have used the SMUDE branding and EduNxt. So you click on your basically username. So I'll type my username basically. So after sign in, as you can see, it leaves you at the My Subjects page, which is same as what happens on the EduNxt website, where we take them to a dashboard where we show them the course list and we allow them to browse that content and other things. So here, as the logged in user, I have access to two subjects of the program. I'm enrolled into a program called BAE, and it has two subjects in them. So, and also parts of two different semesters. In a live environment, there might be many more subjects, usually around 6 or 12. So let me say I'll go to any one of the semester. Basically the order is same as what we see it on the website. So this basically highlights or lists all your quizzes in unit wise. You can scroll. Right now we have only kept 2 units. You can scroll and you can you can choose these quizzes. If you don't want to scroll, you can quickly do a search also, so that you can really quickly access the quizzes. As you can see, I can simply type something and I can quickly search basically. Okay, so let me take a quiz now. So I'll take a quiz from one of the unit. Basically I pressed back button by accident, so I'm going back to the quiz. So slightly the user actions or acknowledgement are slightly slow, or slightly we have not put some kind of pop-ups or something. We will be doing that. Parallelly there is effort to do that. So this is how I can take a quiz on this. This is, as you can see, this is the same quiz player what you see it on the our web. It shows the how many number of questions, and I can even traverse back to a different question. Okay, so I'm going back to question 1 now, and I can read the question text and I can see the options. I can update my answers also if I want to. I skipped it, so I'll go back and I will show you that it has taken effect by showing you that none of the options would have been selected now. That's how I can show you that I had skipped it. Now I will select an answer. So from here, I can even see that the number of questions, options. If it is a checkbox or multiple choice, I would have had a checkbox here, similar to what we see it on web. So I can select the answer and I can finish. After finishing, I do have a screen to show you the results, but however right now this will simply go back to a quiz list because we have just short-circuited that intermediary screen, but it will be there soon by end of today or sometime. So this is the quiz, and this is how you take the quiz with the app. When you don't want, you can go back to this thing. You can also use the back button if you don't have some of the Android phones will not have a back button on the Android phone, so in that case you can use this top left corner back button. This is also helpful in case of iPhone also, hence for consistency we have kept that. This also has a push and update or pull and update kind of feature, where you can synchronize your courses or any basically scrollable list. You can synchronize by just pulling down and leaving it. It will update automatically with the latest things from the EduNxt server. So I will just simply click back and I'll close the app so that I can show you next time when I launch the app it will not ask you the username password. So I'll go back to applications. It would have installed somewhere. So it has installed here. As you can see, app name we have given is SMUDE. So I'll click on the app to launch it. So after the splash, it will simply show you the subject list. It's not gonna ask you for any sign in. So that's the end of the demo. Thanks.